Revolutionize your yard with the Husqvarna 350iB Leaf Blaster. Tired of battling leaves with outdated tools? Meet the Husqvarna 350iB Leaf Blaster, a powerful, cordless solution designed to simplify yard maintenance. Backed by a trusted brand and delivering speeds up to 200 miles per hour, this handheld blower combines efficiency with ease. With an industry-leading 800 CFM airflow, this blower handles even sticky, wet debris effortlessly. You'll love its lightweight design, intuitive controls, and the Power Boost mode, offering extra force on demand. A built-in debris scraper ensures no mess is left behind, and its quiet motor keeps peace with your neighbors. Perfect for your lawn, garage, or walkways, the Husqvarna 350iB suits year-round use. Weighing only 10 pounds and featuring a rechargeable 40V lithium-ion battery, this tool ensures lower fatigue and swift cleanup, no matter the task. Plus, the included battery is compatible across all Husqvarna handheld tools for added convenience. Rated 4.6 stars by over 300 satisfied users, homeowners rave about the tool's unmatched power and thoughtful design. From quicker chores to pristine results, this leaf blower proves it's worth every bit of praise. Take the next step toward hassle-free yard care. Visit the link in the description for full features and to make the Husqvarna 350iB yours today. Don't wait, supplies are limited.